Power you can feel and performance you can trust. Meet the 18-volt 3/8-inch SX Drive cordless drill driver kit. This compact powerhouse features a 2-speed gearbox with speeds up to 1,750 revolutions per minute and delivers 37 foot-pounds of adjustable working torque with a variable speed trigger for precise control. The SP83235US comes complete with a 20-position clutch, hammer mode, a single-sleeve keyless chuck, a spindle lock, an LED light, and an onboard magnetic bit holder. Lightweight at just 2.1 pounds without the battery, it includes two 5.0 ampere-hour high-capacity lithium-ion batteries and a fast charger for all-day productivity. Built for precision drilling, fastening, and light jobs in the shop or on the road. Success is built with SP tools.